What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Tommy, aka Bambino Stunts, and let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so today we are going to meet up with some dude we have never met before off of the Minnesota Grom page. I posted a post earlier asking if anyone wanted to ride. He's the only person that responded. It is safe to say the bike life movement in Minnesota is dead. We need to revive this shit. Nobody's down to ride. You post on there, everyone ridicules you, laughs at you, make an event, da-da-da. Even if you make an event, you can probably only get like 10 people together, top. Nobody's throwing rides. When you do throw a ride, no one shows up. So I had to make a post. One dude responded. I hit him up, and I had to load the Grom and drive 30 minutes just to come meet the homeboy. I'm willing to do that because I'm about this bike life. We meeting him at this holiday station right here. Every pump is full and shit, but this person ain't really using it. 1 gallon exactly. Let's go. Yeah, we are out here with Jerry. He hooked it up with a ride, bro. These are the sickest roads ever. Just super laid back, ripping these roads up. People are miring, the wheelies are feeling good. You know we out here. If you want to revive the Minnesota bike life movement, you gotta get out here. Everybody on the group, nobody wants to meet up. Come on, man, we gotta inspire people, gotta create this movement. Crazy. Never been down here before. Sick, dude. Hell yeah, you know we out here. Wide open, baby. Shout out to Jerry, dude. First time meeting him, just met him off the Minnesota Grom page, and he hooked it up with a sweet ride tonight, man. So shout to homie. Definitely be meeting up with him again in the future to do some ride. She's plugging her ears. Well, guys, when I wiped out the other day, my caliper on my front hit the pavement. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can see it moving down there. It's going in and out because my disc is bent, and so it's messing up my caliper. It keeps catching on the disc, so I don't know, I'm a little worried my front brake might just lock up on me and send me flying. Hopefully not, but definitely got some issues out here. You never know what can happen on the Grom, you guys. They'll usually last and hold up until you get them home. That's funny. Damn, Jerry's hauling ass, baby. God damn. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Let's go! Woo! These things are ripping, dude. We're doing 40. Hell yeah, bro! Yo, those things are sick, dude! Awesome. Those are ripping like 40 miles an hour, dude! Alright, peace out, man. Sick. Dude, that was fucking sick, bro. And the Moto Minis came out for an appearance. That was pretty sick, dude. Yo, thank you for fucking leading the route. Right.
Too hard on the bike, so I just... Where y'all got them from?
Hey, it's a Honda.
It's a Honda?
Honda Grom. Hell yeah.
How fast they go?
60? Yo, Jerry, thanks for leading the ride, man. It was nice meeting you. Tell these dudes we gotta revive this Minnesota bike life movement.
Come out and ride with us.
You know what it is. Let's go. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. And as always, like the great Bambino once said, every strike is one step closer to my next home run. Let's go.